Here's how to order from our website. First, head into itti.com.np. Once the website loads, click on My Account. Then, if you have login ID, you can either sign up with Google or you can register your mail and other details from over here. So I have my Google sign-in options. Let's go ahead and sign in. Once successfully logged in, you can either choose which laptop or any other products that you want. Let's say, for example, I want Dell Postro series. Then I can go into this laptop here. Once the page loads, you can see buy now option. You can click there. Now, once the next page loads, you can click on add new address over here for your shipping address. So let's add that quickly. No, if you are registering your company, then you need to add VAT number, which is mandatory in this case. Once you have done it, click add, and either you can choose the billing address same as your shipping address, or you can add new address. For now, I'll choose the same as shipping address, which is Kamladi Kathmandu. Then click hit next. Free shipping is the shipping method, which is free for now and usually takes 1 to 3 days. Now click on next. Here I can either choose payment options, which is cash on delivery, global IME bank transfer, credit card, debit card, via eSewa or Kaldi. For now, we are not offering cash on delivery outside Kathmandu Valley, but inside Valley we offer cash on delivery also. So I'll click on this one, place order. Here's my order. Go to your order and it's in processing. Now you can either see details from over here and which products are you interested in. So over here I've added 2 of these products in one. Now I can either cancel this order. Yes. Okay. Now this product is in processing. Now our sales team will soon review the product and contact you for your further processing. Thank you.